Imagine this. Every 24 seconds, somewhere in the world, a car is stolen. That's over 3,600 cars a day, and every year, over 1.35 million people lose their lives to road accidents. These startling facts are a wake-up call to how crucial car safety is. Picture yourself on a bustling street, juggling a hot cup of coffee, a briefcase, and a set of car keys. The chaos of the morning rush drowns out the world around you. But remember, safety starts before you even get into your car. Always have your keys ready when approaching your vehicle. Check the back seat, under the car, even the trunk. Lock the door immediately after getting in. It's a simple step, but it could save your life. Now, imagine leaving your car for just a few minutes to grab a quick lunch. You might think, it's just for a moment, what could possibly happen? Well, a lot can happen in a moment. Make it a habit to close all windows and lock all doors whenever you leave your vehicle. And remember, never leave your valuables in plain sight. Always lock them in the trunk. Consider this scenario. It's late and you're driving through a dimly lit part of town. A well-lit parking spot might be a bit farther, but it's worth the extra steps. At night, always park in well-lit areas. It's not just a deterrent for thieves, but also a safety measure for you. But what if your car breaks down in an isolated area? It's a scary thought, isn't it? If this happens, raise the hood to signal that you need help, lock the doors and stay inside. If a good Samaritan stops to help, ask them to call the police. And if you ever feel threatened, don't hesitate to sound the horn. This video is more than just a collection of safety tips. It's a call to action, a reminder to always prioritize your safety and the safety of those around you. Share it with your friends, your family, anyone who drives. Because when it comes to safety, knowledge is power. Be safe, be smart, and always remember your safety is in your hands.